Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by making sure Mac OS is up to date and the MacBook Air is connected to power. This prevents misleading idle drain readings. Once done, open the Apple menu and go to System Settings, then tap Battery to start. You do not need tools. Just note the Mac's model and serial number in About This Mac so you can report exact details if needed. Make sure to keep the laptop awake while you proceed so the system reports current values accurately. Once in battery settings, tap Battery Health to see maximum capacity percentage and the condition label. This tells you how much charge the battery holds versus new. Next, open About This Mac right arrow system report and choose power to read the cycle count and voltages. Cycle count and percent together reveal true wear. If maximum capacity is below 80% or cycles exceed the expected limit for your model, consider service. These numbers explain why runtime is shorter and whether replacement is justified. To finish, run Apple Diagnostics by restarting with the D key or contact Apple support with your serial number if readings look wrong. They can authorize service. Make sure you back up your data before booking a battery replacement and schedule an appointment if maximum capacity or cycle count indicate failure. If readings are missing or inconsistent, restart and update Mac OS. On Intel Macs, reset the SMC/NVRAM, while on Apple Silicon, simply restart. This one-key troubleshooting step often clears false readings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.